Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Project Ramen. If you could go check them out at projectramen.com, you can get a neato box like this. There's 8 varieties, and there's 2 of each, and they're from all over the world. They're pretty new, and I'm really excited to check out what's in here, so let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, whoa. So this is their big Mondo mystery box, and as you can see, there's a lot of noodles in here, hence the, oh, whoa, you know? So we'll go through each and every one. A lot of these I've had, a couple maybe I haven't, and yeah, let's see what we got. So it looks like we have a huge sticker to start things off. Wow, this is really neat. Thanks. And a couple pairs of chopsticks, a thank you card, and another sticker. Wow, I really like stickers, so there's never enough stickers, so thanks. Well, so first off, we've got an artificial beef flavor with pickled vegetables. I believe this package is purple. I'm colorblind, so I don't know. And I probably have had this one. So there's a company called Master Kong, which is a Chinese company, as is this. And Master Kong and Kang Shifu translates to Master Kong. Right, so it's like there was a bit of a kerfuffle over that, but and they both have a little guy at the top, and there's like a big thing about that. But so this has sauerkraut in it, but it's not like Western sauerkraut. It's pickled cabbage, but and when you see this thing, this old clay pot deal thing, that usually means this. This is really good with Chinese sausage. I'm going to tell you right now, beef varieties from China, Hong Kong, those are really good with Chinese sausage, as well as Taiwanese ramen. So here's a very interesting one. I haven't had volcano chicken in a long time, and usually it was Paldo. This is made by Paldo, but you see right here, it's part of their Carino range now. And this is the volcano chicken. They've got a volcano carbonara chicken now, I believe. It's a Bulldogian element. So, yeah, I'll be doing a mukbang of this one and looking forward to trying this again. Cool. I bet you it's changed too. And here we've got a Taiwanese export. This is from a company called Wei Wong. You might think, oh, this is V Wong because it's spelled VE space WONG. These are pronounced as W's. So like there's another company that looks like it's Weidan. It's Weidan, okay? So this is from Taiwan. This is an old standby export. And I know I've had it, but it's been a long time. It might get a re-review. Oh, and look at what we got here. We've got Nongshim and their Shin Gold chicken variety. So I've noticed a lot of people saying, I don't know where to get this stuff. I can't get it. I've seen that on Reddit, which kind of surprised me. I thought this was everywhere, but maybe not. And yeah, so there's 2 packs of these in there for all the Shin people. And here's another Kang Shifu variety. This is their artificial soyed beef flavor. And I think soyed beef might be in line or parallel to something like corned beef. I'm not sure. This may have been the flavor of beef soaked in soy sauce for a long time, or soaked in some kind of soy thing. But yeah, cool. I don't remember if I've tried it. If there's an image of it going by, then I have. And from Binh of Vietnam, we've got a seafood flavor rice thread. So it's a rice vermicelli. Very thin. I don't remember if I've had this, or if I've had it, maybe it was in different packaging. I really dig that huge crab just sitting on there. It's like, come on, eat me, I dare you, you know. But yeah, cool. If I haven't reviewed it, it'll be coming up soon. And here's an absolute favorite of mine. This is Mama Creamy Tom Yum flavor. It's got a nice creamy broth. It's not thick, it's very thin, and that's the way Thais like their Tom Yum, is more of a thin broth. Very, very flavorful, nice notes of lemongrass, chili pepper, lemongrass, chili pepper, and shrimp. I went and I visited them in 2015. I went to Thailand. I got to visit the Mama Noodle fried noodle factory. I got to visit their rice noodle factory. And wow, it's quite an operation. They make a lot of noodles, folks, and it's really hot there. So yeah, but this has been on top 10s before. This is really good stuff. And another Vietnamese variety. This is Ace Cook, and I'm probably butchering the pronunciation. It's Shuke. I think, I don't know, Suke, whatever it is. This stuff's good. I have had this. It's a seafood dry noodle, kind of like a bulldog. It's got a nice level of spiciness to it, not too strong, not too weak, but the flavor, it's super savory, super good stuff. So in this mystery box from Project Ramen, you get creamy tom yum, shin gold, gung chafu pickled vegetable beef, kang chafu soyed beef, volcano, seafood, Taiwanese chicken, spicy Taiwanese seafood, a sticker, chopsticks, an even bigger sticker, and a thank you card. Wow, so this is a ton of ramen. If you have a ramen drawer or a stash of ramen that's looking depleted, this will fill it up, and it's not all the same stuff you've probably been having. There's a lot of variety here, and a lot of stuff that I've had before that's real good. So I highly recommend checking them out. Go on over to projectramen.com, and yeah, cool. All right. Well, thanks to Project Ramen for sending this over, and this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.